Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve messages not showing on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve messages not showing on Facebook, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you will enter to your Facebook app and you can click here. Then this list you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.